Alright, you guys. So I just went for shopping for something for this fall, for autumnal, as the weather feels crispy and autumnal. So thought it's a perfect time to shop something for this time. Nothing huge, just very minimal, like light layerings and very minimal that I would love wearing at this transitional time or like autumnal time, not anything wintry. And I'm so freaking in love with everything brown, so I ended up buying I think all of my pieces in brown tone. So hope you enjoy the pieces I have picked up, and if you don't like brown, this video is not for you. Sorry about that. And yeah, with that being said, I'm so excited to share the pieces with you all. So let's start the try on haul. Right, so first piece, okay, so first comes up these white twill trousers. I love them so much. Love the wide and straight legs about them, and the high waist design, so pretty. I so love them, so I had to grab them. And I have them, 1 minute, just let me show you properly how they look. This is how the trouser comes. Okay, I have got them in the size US 4, and I really love them, love the color. Like I said, I'm so freaking in love with everything brown, so had to grab them, and they are just so perfect. I think this is perfect. I can easily, you know, dress them up with a black pair of what do you call it, heels this time. Too pretty, I cannot wait. And either way, I can dress them down with a pair of chunky trainers for a casual day look. I cannot wait, so pretty. Let me try them on and I'll show you how they fit me, how they look in person. Hopefully you can see the trousers. This is how it looks with this black crop top. Oh my gosh, I'm so freaking in love. Oh my gosh, so pretty, so pretty, so pretty. I'm so happy I picked them up. They're fitting me absolutely nicely. Yeah, bit loose though. Let me come closer and show you. Bit loose on my waistline, but that is absolutely fine and waist fitting for me, as I love. I think they meant to be a bit loose, I'm not sure, but that is absolutely fine, and I love that. Love the color, so pretty, so cute, and love the length as well, not crossing my ankles. Or are they crossing my ankles? Never mind, doesn't matter, as I love them so much. Love the fit, love the length, everything. I loved everything about that. I'm so happy I made my mind, picked them up. So pretty, so autumnal. I just cannot wait to make the most out of them during this time. Like I said, I think it's a perfect way to grab such good pair of trousers or jeans during this time, so I can keep myself warm and cozy. I just cannot wait to make the most out of them. Alright, so next comes up this sweatshirt, and again another brown piece, but not the same shades of brown. Like as you can see, it's different shades of brown. It's very close to chocolate shades, and I really love that. I didn't want to buy it. I mean, it was not intentional, but the moment I saw it, I really liked it. I thought it would go best with a pair of beige or brown or black trousers. I have got it in the size medium. Like I said, I didn't want to buy it, but the moment I saw it and I loved it, so picked it up. Even though I couldn't find my size, picked it up in the size medium. And I love the color, and it comes with a collar, and it has got like boxy fit structure, like as you can see. So not sure how it will fit me or how it will like me. Honestly, I'm not sure. The moment I saw it, I liked it and picked it up. Let me show you. This is how the sweatshirt looks. Really loose on me. Sleeves are big. That is fine, but this bagginess, I'm not liking that. And like I said, crop length is absolutely fine. Other than that, everything looks fine. I think I should keep it. I'm not sure. Let me know what you guys think. So next comes up this V-waist or V shape, what you call leggings. Honestly, I'm not sure how much I would like it, or I mean later in the future, but at this moment, I mean about this V shape, I'm not sure. But at this moment, I really wanted to grab a pair of brown leggings, and I found out they're fitting me absolutely nicely. The fabric is so nice, really soft and smooth, and love the color. Another shades of brown, very close to chocolate brown, that I really loved, and picked them up. And let me did I mention the size? I have picked them up in the size small, so let me try them on and I show you how they fit me. You guys, this is how the leggings look with this cropped sweatshirt. I love the leggings, love how they fit me, and the length is so perfect on me, like as you can see, so perfect, just above my ankles, not crossing my ankles, exactly how I wanted or how I like my leggings supposed to be at the length. Love the fabric, love the texture, so soft. Love this jersey fabric, yeah, jersey rib fabric, so pretty. I absolutely love that, and love how the V shape looks so flattering, so pretty. Oh my gosh, I love the feet, and the V shape looks absolutely stunning. I cannot wait to make the most out of them and wear them a lot. I'm so happy that how I picked up and how this cropped sweatshirt and the leggings go together, and love how these two different shades of brown complementing each other. Not the same to same, exact same, but different shades, which is great and looks even more stunning and like even more put together. I supposed to be wearing these leggings with a hoodie, but I think the leggings even go better with this cropped sweatshirt, like as you can see. Oh my gosh, I cannot wait to make the most out of them, and I'm really obsessed with how these two pieces look together. Really love that. Oh my gosh, so pretty. This is how they look at the back. Love the shape, how the leggings hugging my body, so pretty, so perfect, and the fabric is not stitching my skin, just very nice, very kind of stretchy, loose, I don't know, but love the fabric, love the length and everything, so pretty. Next comes up a hoodie. It's amazing, and it's an oversized hoodie. I'm not sure how to hold it so you can see properly. Yeah, this is how it looks. I have got it in the size small, and this is how the hoodie looks. Another brown piece again, but not the same shades, same shades of brown. Another kind of chocolatey brown, so pretty. I cannot wait to wear them, and it comes with a metal hardware. Hold on, my phone rings up. Silent it. Alright, so it comes with some metal hardware, like as you can see here at the drawstrings, very basic like hoodie, so I can keep myself cozy and warm during this time at home. So I picked it up. Let me tell you one thing, I just honestly pick them up together as a matching set, as I have a set in grey color from past year H&M that I really loved, and I have been wearing a lot. Love their color, fitting, softness and everything. So autumnal and so neutral, so thought to pick one more set this year from H&M, and I found out these two pieces fitting me absolutely nicely, and the color shades not very same color but different shades of brown, so I really love that thing and pick them up together as a matching set to try this year. So let me try them out together and I show you how they look together or go together. You guys, here's how. Let me go a few steps backwards. Yeah, so here's how the leggings and the hoodie looks and go together. Like as you can see the color difference, really love the different shades of color, so pretty, and love how these two different shades complementing each other, so nice, so cute, perfect piece for this time or a transitional time like autumn to winter or winter to spring, anytime. I mean, just to keep myself cozy and comfy at home or just to run errands outdoor. I mean, so pretty, so perfect. Love the hoodie, love the metal hardware on the drawstrings. Love them, love them both. Love the pieces, so pretty, so cute. Love the bagginess, the oversized fit of this hoodie, and like I was saying that I already have a set in the color grey from H&M that I have been wearing a lot and love their two pieces together. So I mean, hence why I picked them up together, this matching set for this year, so I can make most of them like the previous set. Lastly comes up this bunch of hair ties here. I honestly did not want to buy them as I have couple of hair ties already, but I then randomly just picked them up. I mean, picked it up this set as they easily break and lose, so thought it's best to keep extra collection in case I run out of my existing hair ties. Never mind, and it's really inexpensive, only 249. Yeah, nothing to mention much, just randomly picked this hair tie set, and yeah, that is pretty much it. Everything that I have got so far to share with you all. Hopefully you like the brown pieces, like the haul. If you did, please be sure you like, subscribe my channel if I have not already yet, turn on that notification bell icon to get notified on all of my new uploads. And with that being said, thank you so much again for watching and making to the end of this video. And with that being said, I end it here and I catch you on my next episode. Till then, take care. Bye.